Good day everyone, welcome to Dark Mode Shaving. Today it's gonna be the last video of the season. I'm taking a summer break. I will be back in September. I hope to see you there. Today's product, okay, we're gonna finish the season with a really nice soap. Product from A&E, Ariana and Evans, Portrait in Soho. Talk about it in a few minutes. The razor I'm going to use today, it's a brand new razor, arrived this week. Gillette Aristocrat from Razor Emporium, okay, made to order, 24 karats gold. I do have another one of those. Well, the plating is kind of worn out. This one is perfect. It's a beautiful condition. Well, it's a little bit dirty, okay, I used it and I didn't clean the razor, but it's really shiny, it's a beautiful thing. The blade in it, it's gonna be, I don't know if you can see, okay, Pole Silver, Super Iridium. It's gonna be the second use. And the brush I will be using is my Spifo Best Badger Dark Ruby. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's red, you can see a little bit of red and dark. Really nice brush. I'm just gonna go wet the face, load the brush, and I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. Okay, first application, 20 seconds load. I went pretty dry too, okay? This is the new that's the new soap, soap base from Peter Charkalis. Contains beef tallow, lanolin, and goat milk. You need to load it, okay, you need to load dry. If you go too wet, it's gonna get all the band and you're gonna miss your lather. Personally, I prefer to go dry, then just add water as you need to. I'll talk about the soap base in the third pass. The scent, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. The scent notes. Rose, cinnamon, blackcurrant, incense, patchouli, amber musk, and woods note. The scent, it's a rose. It's probably the best rose I ever scented in a shave soap. It's a rose. The rose is present. It's not a sweet rose. It's a dark, almost bitter smoky rose. The rose is there. There is in the background to support the rose. There is a smokiness. There's also a bitterness to it, almost like dark chocolate. Although the chocolate is not in the notes, that's what it smells like to me. Okay, first pass with the grain. Actually, the first time I smelled it, when I opened it, the first thing that came to my mind was I bought Morocco from Tallow and Still when it came out. and I was really unhappy with the smokiness of it. Okay, I don't like it. I find it way too smoky. Portrait Soho smells exactly what I was expecting from Morocco. Therefore, if you bought Morocco, you didn't like the smokiness of it, Portrait Soho is what you were looking for, guarantee you. As you lather it, the smokiness, bitterness comes out. The rose. The rose is way more present in the tub when you smell it from the tub. For rose lovers, it's a must. For people that haven't entered the rose market yet, that would be a really good starting point. It's not, it's a really beautiful scent. Okay, I brought it to a few friends, make them smell it before, just before they smell the soap. They tell me, I don't like rose, I don't like florals, this and that. Open the tub, put their nose to it. First thing that comes out their mouth is, wow, that smells like heaven. It is a wonderful scent. If you like roses, you're in. You're in this one. Yeah. You can't go wrong with that scent. Okay? If rose is your thing, it's a must. If you're not sure if you want to enter the rose market, the rose scent market, try it. Try it. You're going to be pleased with it. Okay, and the first pass, razor. The Aristocrat is fairly mild. Okay, am I gonna obtain BBS today? Probably not. I'm not gonna look for it. Okay, I'm on vacation, therefore I will enjoy myself and just take it mildly today. I'm gonna go rinse the face. I'm gonna go to pass number 2 off camera. I will come back for pass number 3 and we're gonna talk about the soap base then. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna put the ingredients so you can have a look at them. Okay, give me a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, second pass. Okay, it's a good shave. We're gonna go for third application. There might be a smell, a black currant smell coming out slowly. That's probably the darkness in the scent. Okay, the soap base. Loads easily, lather easily. There's one thing with it though. It's the water, okay? Go slow on the water with it. Build up your water in it. Build up your lather slow. Okay, it's a good performing lather. It's protective. No, it's third pass. I've been adding water to my face a lot. Okay, the lather is still pretty good. There we go. The lather is fairly slick. Okay, third pass against the grain. The lather is fairly slick. There's some residual slickness. But where the soap, okay, really shines, well, first of all, the scent, okay, it shines right there. The scent is, okay, it blows my mind. It's that good. It's that good of a scent. Now, the soap itself, where it shines, it's in the post-shave feel. When I'm done shaving with this, it feels like my face. Okay? It's not dry, it's not overly oily, it's exactly what my skin should be like. Okay, there's soap that are way more expensive than this, and I'm not getting the post shave feel for that. Okay, this soap post shave feel, excellent. Just can't go wrong for that. Okay, it's slick, no problem there. Yeah, it's quite nice soap. There we go. Okay, that's the end of the shave. A really nice shave. Not extremely close. Okay, there's a spot there, right there. I could go closer, but I don't feel like it. The neck, well, there, that has to be touched up. There we go. Great. Nice shave, solid shave. I got nothing to say about the razor. It's mild, it's fairly easy to use. Nice razor. The blade, Pole Silver. Not the first time I used them. They're a good blade. The soap, only got nice thing to say about it. It's a nice soap. Okay, the scent is number one. It's a solid performer, and the post shave with the soap is awesome. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go rinse the face, and I'm gonna come back for a conclusion. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, face is dry. It's nice. I've tried it enough now. I've tried that soap enough to know that the post shave is what I want. On A&E, I don't have the matching aftershave, and I should. Okay, it will come. The matching aftershave will be bought, but for now, I'm gonna use TFS Il Capitano. It's a floral base. It's a floral base. It's a floral base aftershave. It goes well in the same line, therefore, so I'm gonna use it. There we go. That completes the shave for today. It completes this season also. It's not time to go on vacation. Now, the shave today, again, that was product from Ariana and Evans, and I'm having a problem with that. Portrait in Soho, okay, soap by Peter Charkalis. It's a rose scented soap. Excellent soap. Okay, it's a must try. The razor, Gillette Aristocrat, made to order from Razor Emporium, 24 karat gold. Beautiful razor. The workmanship on that is awesome. Blade was second use Pole Silver Super Iridium. Deep brush, Spiffo. Okay, Spiffo like this. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see the red now in it. Red and black, okay, dark ruby, beautiful, beautiful brush. And the aftershave, Il Capitano from TFS, beautiful floral scent. With this, it's time to go on vacation. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your summer. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your shaves. And I hope to see you again in September. September, brand new den, brand new products, okay? I hope to see you there. Until then, enjoy your vacation. Have a great summer. And see you in September. Bye guys.